Hi guys, is your Windows 11 running slow? Then this video is for you. In this video, I share with you tips to make your Windows 11 faster, and this will boost the speed of your PC. Without wasting time, let's get started. First, you need to enable the storage sense. What you need to do is simply click on this start menu, then click on settings. Then when you go over to settings, under system, scroll and click on this storage area. Now, once you click on this storage area, you can see storage sense. Now, what this storage sense does for you is that it automatically frees up space, delete temporary files, and manage your locally available cloud content. So you can just enable it, and with this, it frees up space automatically for you on your system, thereby making your Windows 11 faster. Another thing you still need to do is to come over to this very area where we have cleanup recommendations. Click on it. Once you click on it, you see this See Advanced option. Simply click on it. Here you are going to check all of this except this download, because if you check on this download, everything under your download folder will be deleted. So you just check all these ones, and if there are any junk file, it will be quickly deleted. So you can just click on this remove files and you click on continue. This will free up all the junk in your system. The next thing you need to do is for you to clean up the temp files of your system. And in order to do that, you can just click on your Windows key and press your R key. Here now you're going to type temp and press your enter, or you hit on this OK. Now this will bring up all the junk files and caches on your system. Now you can just simply click on any of these files, then click Ctrl A to select all of them. Now there's one thing you need to know about this. These files are just junks created by your system, so when you delete it, it doesn't have any effect to your PC. You can just press Shift Delete for permanent deletion. Now you can just skip this and leave the ones that are unable to delete. Now if you have done this, expect that the junk files in your systems are being deleted, and with this it will boost the speed of your Windows 11 PC and also enhance its performance. Another thing you can still do to delete all the temp files is that you can just still press Windows key and your R. Here now you're going to type %temp, then %, then you hit your OK or your enter. Now you can just see all of these files here. They are encrypted files that are created as junks by your system. You can just click on any of them, then you click on Ctrl A to select all of them, press your Shift and delete. You can just do permanent deletion and all of this will be deleted here for you. You can just click on this skip and you can leave these ones that are unable to delete. And so if you do this, you are increasing the speed of your Windows 11. To also increase the speed of your Windows 11 PC, you are going to disable some system notifications. To do that, simply click on Start menu, then click on Settings. Then under these settings, where we have systems or system, you can just click on this notifications. Now you just simply scroll down. Now you can see this very one where we have get tips and suggestions when I use Windows. You can just simply uncheck this. Now if there are any of these that you don't need this notification on your system, you can do well to uncheck any of them. You can see this as I click on it to off it or uncheck it. Now with this way, it also helps to make your Windows 11 faster. Another thing you need to do is to adjust privacy settings of your system. You can do that by clicking on your Start menu, go over to your settings, and on your settings you can see privacy and security. Here you can just click on it, and once you click on it, you can see where we have general. Click on this general. Here you can disable most of these things. You can see it say let apps show me personalized ads by using my advertising ID. Let websites show me locally relevant contents by accessing my language list. And all of these things, you just need to disable them. And once you disable them, it helps to boost the speed of your Windows 11 PC. Also added to that is that if you go back to this privacy and security, you can see where we have speech. You can just click on this and you can just off this particular one. If you still go back here, you can see other ones like this diagnostic and feedback. You can just do where to turn off this, and by turning off this, it also helps to boost the speed of your Windows 11 PC. The next thing you need to also take note of is to adjust the app permissions of your PC. And to do that, you can just simply click on your privacy. Here you can see where we have location, and over this place you can just do where to turn off this. It also helps to boost the speed of your PC. The next thing you need to do is to disable startup apps. And to do that, you can just right click on your Windows button and click on Task Manager. Now you can see the startup. If you look at this area, you discover that there are some apps that each time your system is booting, they're also coming up. And with this, it lowers the speed of your PC. You can just do where to turn off most of them. For instance, you can see this Google Chrome. I don't want it to be turned on the moment my PC is on. And I wouldn't want it to lower the speed of my PC. I can just disable it. Anyone that you feel is not relevant, you can just do where to turn it off. Now you can see all of these ones. You go ahead and disable the one that you don't need. Now, the next thing you need to do is to uninstall unwanted apps. And to do that, you can go back to your settings, click on apps, then you can see apps and features. Then under this very place, you see there are some apps that you may have not even used even for once. Just do where to uninstall them. Maybe if you will need it later on in future, you can just keep it somewhere and reinstall it back to your system. But if there are apps that are unwanted, the apps that has no value to your what you do on your system, do where to uninstall it. And by this, it also boosts the speed of your PC. Then the next thing you need to do is to disable the Xbox game in your PC. To do that, you can just simply click on this gaming area. Then here we have Xbox Game Bar. If you click on it, you see that this is enabled. You can just do where to disable it. The next thing you need to do is to disable unwanted Windows services. Now, if you hit your start menu, type services, then here you click on this service. If you look at this area, you discover that there are some services that you can just do where to disable. You see this one like fax, you can just click on it. See this property, you may not even use this fax. So you enabling it, it will just consume space in your PC. So you can just do where to disable it. Click on apply, then OK. Locate other ones that you don't need. Now, if you look at this very place, you can even locate your Windows update. And if you don't need updates in your Windows PC, you can just do where to disable it from here. And all these unnecessary updates will just be disabled on your PC. With this, it helps to boost the speed of your Windows 11 PC. Thank you for watching this video. Do well to subscribe to this channel and come back for more videos on this particular channel.